Hello everyone, my name is B. Sathwik. I am from CSCC section. My roll number is 20951A05G3. And today my topic for the Tech Talk is calculate joint probability distribution of study directed cyclic graph with local data and domain casual knowledge. The subject is data structures. Abstract. It is described to obtain the joint probability distribution JPD over a set of random variables with local data, so as to avoid the hard work to collect statistical data in the scale of all variables. A lot of work has been done when all variables are in a known directed cyclic graph DAG. However, steady directed cyclic graph DCGs may be involved in when we simply combine modules containing local data together, where a module is composed of a child variable and its parent variables. So far, the physical and statistical meaning of steady DCGs remain unclear and unsolved. This illustrates the physical and statistical meaning of steady DCGs and presents a method to calculate the JPD with local data. Given that all variables are known, single valued dynamic uncertain causality graph DOCG, and thus defines new Bayesian network with steady DCGs. The so-called single valued means that only the causes of true state of variable are specified, while the false state is complement of true state. Introduction. Bayesian network (BN) is well-known model to represent uncertain causalities and make probabilistic reasoning. As being defined, a BN is based on DAG and represents a JPD over a set of random variables x1, x3, so on till x. According to DAG, JPD is factorized as multiplication of group of conditional probabilities contained in the corresponding conditional probability table CPTS as shown in 1, in which x is an instance of x, PA of x denotes the parent of x, and P of x of PA of x denotes the conditional probability of xi. P of x1 comma x2 into so on denied is equal to P of x PA of x. A CPT corresponds to a module composed of a child variable and its parent variables and can be obtained from local statistical data within the module. A DAG is composed of a set of modules. Each module corresponds to a CPT that is equivalent to local JPD over the variables include the module is called family, which means that the modules are in order and cannot form any steady or static DCG when they are combined together by fusing the same variables in different modules. That is, family can only be used in DAGs when steady DCGs are involved during the module combination. Family is not a proper word for a known DAG. Once we collect the local statistical data for modules respectively, we can easily obtain the local CPTs or JPTs and thus get the final JPD overall variables according to 1. It is not necessary to collect the statistical data in scale of all variables, because according to 1 we need only to know the local CPTs or JPTs of modules. This makes the collection of statistical data much easier than to collect the statistical data with regard to all variables, because the latter means to exponentially increase the amount and difficulty of collecting statistical data. For example, suppose there are 100 variables contained in 20 modules. Each module had 10 variables. There are some variable overlap among modules. Every variable has two states and each state combination appears 10 times in statistical data. The number of samples to get the final JPD over the 100 variables directly is 2100 into 10 greater than 1.267 into 1031. If we can calculate the final JPD from local JPDs of modules, the number of samples is reduced to 20 into 20 into 10, that is equal to 2.048 into 10. A lot of work has been done in this area. They are all DAGs or extended as DAGs within time tags in dynamic classes. However, steady DCGs may appear in some cases. An example is as shown in figure 1, which is SOS-DNA repair network, in which nodes represent genes and directed areas represent the regulatory relationships. One of the reasons of steady DCGs is that measurements cannot be so accurate to distinguish the early cause and later consequence when feedback loops exist. Another reason is that cause and consequence may be immediate. Example, action force and reaction force, while the cause and consequence are reversal in different instances. Some work related to steady DCGs has been done. Reference presents that DCG is the family of probabilistic distributions rather than a single distribution, and gives only the consistency checking without calculations. Proposes to use the conditional independence and non-recursive linear structural equation to handle DCGs without showing the detail how to calculate JPD. Defines a dependence network allowing DCGs in which Gibbs sampling method is used to get the samples of DN, and the samples are used to represent a JPD over random variables. However, DN is viewed as a group of conditional probability distributions rather than a unique joint distribution. Regards DCGs are parameterization of undirected mode land represents the joint distribution as a normalized product of non-negative interpolation L potential functions. Uses Gibbs sampling to generate data and then calculate the frequency of samples, in which a sample ordering has to be determined because different sampling sequence may result in different distributions and even cannot get equilibrium distribution. In general, the physical and statistical meanings of DCGs remain unclear and unsolved. In a model called dynamic uncertain causality graph, DUCD is represented to represent the uncertain causalities explicitly, which is composed of single value DUCG. Is DUCG a multiple value DUCG? MDUCG. The so-called SDUCG means that only the causes of true state of variable can be specified, while the false state is complement of true state and the cause of false state cannot be specified separately. The so-called MDUCG may have more than two states and the causes of all states can be specified separately. Usually DUCG corresponds to Bn, but as shown in DUCG allows steady or static DCGs, which is not allowed in Bn. Therefore, DUCG is more flexible than Bn. However, so far the parameters in DUCG are assumed to known or be given by domain expert. How to use local data to obtain JPD over all variables is still unsolved. The simplified SDUCG model is introduced as follows: denote xn as the child event of module n, vf as parent event I of xn, where v belongs to b comma x. In general, b denotes a basic or root event that does not have any input or cause. X denotes an event that has at least one input and many or more have output or consequence. As assumed, there must be at least one B-type event as ancestor of any X-type event. The simplified model of SDUCG is illustrated as xn is equal to I is equal to 1 to L union xnj is equal to I is equal to 1 to L union pniva. The corresponding equation in MDUCG is as shown in 2. Xnic is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to L xnkj is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to L fnkj vij. Figure to be illustrated. Figure 2a, event xn is divided as set of events x caused by vi. Respectively, the uncertain causality between xni and vi is modeled as virtual random event pxi. A xni that is equal to p xi vi and xi xni are in OR relationship, which is actually the noisy OR in case. In more details, xr is equal to x1 union xn2 union xn1 xni xnj. Denote xn caused by Vij. Pij denotes the virtual random event Vi causes xj, etc. Real-time statistical meaning of SDUCG study DCGS. Suppose the local statistical data of three modules in which the first column indicates the state combination and the second column indicates the number of samples and the third column indicates the corresponding local JPD. The three groups of data are collected by three domain experts concerning three subjects respectively, x1 and its causes, parents b5, x2 and its causes, parents b4 and x3, x3 and its causes or parents x1 and x2. According to 2, we have x1 equal to p15 b5 p union p12 x2, x2 equal to p4 2 b4 union p23 x3, x3 is equal to p31 x1 union p32 x2. We can further expand by substituting the equations into each other. Parameter learning from local data. Given a known SDUCG by domain experts, the left task is to learn parameters of the SDUCG from the local data collected in the modules composing the SDUCG. The methods are many, such as those in 39 to 41. As an example, we may use the least square method. For example, shown in section, the goal function g of pb to be minimized in learning process is defined as in 66 g of p comma b is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to 24 y1 minus f1 of p comma b whole square, in which y1 is the local JPD indexed by I belongs to 1 comma so on to 24 corresponding to the 24 equations respectively. Example, y1 is equal to 0.237 while the left side of is f1 of p comma b calculated from 8 parameters denoted as p comma b, where P is equal to P12, P15, P23, P24, P31, P32 and B is equal to P4, P5. Our purpose is to find a set of P, B that makes G of P, B the least. Conclusion. The paper this demonstrates the reality and statistical meaning of steady DCGS in the case that the causal structure is SDUCG model by combining statistical data and domain causal knowledge. This also represents the method to calculate the JPD over all variables with only local statistical data in modules composing study DCGS through an example, which provides a great convenience in data collection. The BN which study DCGS is defined in this as the corresponding SDUCG. This methodology may help to solve the feedback loop problems in such areas as biological systems involving multiple cell population and is therefore with a significant importance. Note that the SDUCG model 1 introduced in the paper is simplified. The original is more complex, including logic gates and conditional directed areas. Additionally, we believe the original SDUCG is also applicable in solving similar problems. It should be mentioned that MDUCG without DCGs and is also applicable to model 1, the JPD overall variables with only local statistical data. Although we do not have discussed this case in limited length, it should be mentioned that we validate the MDUCG DCGs, which might be the future work. Thank you.